Boom. DJ Dreadbeard. Kartel, thank you, sir. Very much. I mean, I look no hype out of it. And this is not me act like me love man. The whole sentence right now, I say hashtag Gaza sky. Huh? And I guarantee tell you right now, as somebody a push grinds man. Why no a long time Kartel have money? Don't you dare think say I know Kartel a millionaire in the US money. A long time we know how music work.
Terry Ganzi or Grindsman?
Grindsman. Yeah. He originally did Ben Sponani, which I paid homage to and used the hook.
From the start, it can't stop. Me rip my place and you rip on them up.
I have fight teeth and nail for Beanie Man. And I don't see him post me. Look how me big up Massacre fight for him. And he know nothing not going for me, dog. People, Vybz Kartel shout out Khago. And instantly the man threw a Beanie Man and Massacre under the bus. I like the man forgets that him sing, nah, sell out my friend them.
DJ Dreadbeard. Subscribe now.
Hashtag Gaza Sky.
Insight, informative entertainment vlog.
So what do you Vybz Kartel keep a little hype life board party? Dirty decks a play. One bag of big body girl. But Vybz Kartel forward back and I make them know say don't watch sidem, don't ask where is sidem because it's sidem of our own board party now. You see the caption? Sidem party. So sidem of our own board party and sidem a flaunt our wedding ring. Please don't correct me. Wedding ring, engagement ring. It bright as fuck. It a glisten as fuck. You see me? So see them a flaunt pan them. Don't ask where is see them. Also we are gonna talk about Vybz Kartel and Shenseea after Panic. Shenseea said talk to me now. And we are gonna show you what to do already. And we are gonna show you how it hit the charts already. In a those couple hours it hit the charts. Khago. Vybz Kartel big up Khago. And sometime all the haters need is a hug, you know. Or a big up, you know. The man switch up same time. We are going to talk about everything. But before we talk about that, let me introduce myself to the brand new viewers and the brand new subscribers. You have tuned in to the baddest reaction channel on YouTube. I'm DJ Dreadbeard. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. May I beg you to like up the video. And if you want to support the channel, drop a super thanks in the comment section. I want to shout out the Smith family. Forward through with $5 on the last video. Trooper, 7 Canadian on the last video. Tagent, $2 on the last video. And DG, $5 on the last video. People, remember, if you want to support the channel, drop a super thanks in the comment section. Liking the video and sharing the video is also a form of support. And if you don't know how to drop a super thanks, see the instruction up on the screen. And the link to the PayPal, may go pin it in the comment section. Yo, so right now, people are dubbing Vybz Kartel and Shenseea the best duo in dancehall right now. You see me? And before we talk about talk to me now, we see Panic get 1 million streams on Spotify. So when we say Panic, it up on an upward trajectory. So Panic, it only gonna get better from here. Because you know, say by the time I look, you see it gone 2 million streams on Spotify and 3 million streams. You see me? Yeah, so Panic, continue to buy and stream Panic. Because remember say that the Vybz Kartel album and every stream, every buying of this song count. Alright, so talk to me now. If you look on your screen, you can see say it already there. #1. And it's not only the #1 on the reggae iTunes. Talk to me now by Shenseea, Vybz Kartel and Russian, released on March 13, has seen the following charts performance. iTunes reggae song immediately debut #1 upon release. iTunes various countries, the track peaked #7 in the Netherlands and appear at #79 in the United Kingdom. Spotify playlists. As of March 13, the track entered several Spotify charts including top 10 in South Africa, 11 in Kenya, 15 in the United Kingdom, and 73 in the USA. So, just a couple of hours ago, it dropped, bro. You see me? And it depends on what you chart. So, just imagine the update tomorrow and during the week. You're going to see it do a panic do and probably more. You see me? So, 2 songs are run side by side, Vybz Kartel and Shenseea. So, wonder why people adopt them the best duo since sliced bread, and obviously, them have a chemistry. This are them 4th song. Out of the 4 songs, I just one of them never hit and a secret, because a whole heap of people still never know about secret. I guess secret was a secret, but anyway, them clearly have a chemistry and them a work with it. You see me? Don't be surprised if you hear them again on one more track to all the chemistry are going good. Because remember, me telling you say the top 5 artists them good with Vybz Kartel, you know. Skilly Bang, Shenseea, Spice, Vybz Kartel, Popcorn. The top 5 dancehall artists right now. So don't be surprised you get a Skilly Bang featuring Shenseea and Vybz Kartel. You see me? And you know say a Skilly Bang that say you probably get a bad man tune. But people are gonna say, no, that not gonna work because Vybz Kartel say I'm not doing no bad man tune. No man. Remember the controversy selling, you know. Vybz Kartel not doing no bad man like no murder song, but him still can get a hype life verse. A bad man song them the same way, you know. Me telling you say them they can work as bad man song, you know. Some hype life, 13 years me gone and them couldn't nothing in me absent, something like that, career cut short, something where my stunt on them. You see me? Yeah, so him can start them something there in the bad man song, and Shenseea go in a gunman voice. When last year Shenseea in a gunman voice. From what I just the little family Shenseea find, you know, notice at the same little from the start, don't stop, me rap my team. Like she go down now a little soft little voice, she find one formula in the voice there. You see me? And it's just she forward back with again in a talk to me now. The same little, me are the artist thing from me the outside, the little nice, little sweet, little calm, innocent voice there. Me are the artist thing from me come outside. And it's she forward back with again in a this and it a work. So she find one formula, but a long time when I hear a gunman tune from Shenseea. Well, Shenseea don't have a gunman tune. A long time when I hear a gunman voice. You see me? Because you know a Skilly Bang that's so if you have a Skilly Bang feature in Shenseea, a 2-way to go. Girl or gun. A Skilly Bang that 16. I talk about the 16. You see me? Yeah, so when I hear Shenseea in a gunman voice and Vybz Kartel a stunt on them in a hype life. It can't work, man. 3 songs that for the year with Shenseea and Vybz Kartel. As I mean, don't remember your ear tears of first, here? Yeah, don't be surprised if you hear them again. The way how them chemistry good right now. So I'm not going to talk much on Khago because I want to do a different reasoning over my second channel. Because I want to know so I'm going to go in a different reasoning. In the start of the video, when I want to talk about over this is real talk. In the start of the video, Khago like him a try convince Gaza nation say him never did this Vybz Kartel data. So basically, him a apologize because Vybz Kartel big him up on a boat. So him a apologize and I say, yo, him a want Gaza nation to ease him up because Vybz Kartel big him up. Me not go touch upon that over here, so I go save that for over this is real talk. So who know my new channel, I go pin it at the end of the video and I go collab with it for all who know. We want to hear the reason that if Gaza nation for forgive him or not, or you see me? Or we are going to do the same thing. Vybz Kartel evil but him fans them not evil. But we not give the topic. But what we want to talk about over here so is how the man switch up so fast. Like the man figured say him sing now sell out my friend them. The man sell out Beenie Man and Massacre quick and fast. Remember say Khago been tell we say basically Beenie Man give him a highlight. So when people say Beenie Man no boss artist, Khago always say Beenie Man boss him or Beenie Man give him a highlight and things in. So from what them a do what them a do. Them a go against Vybz Kartel, so probably them a big up Massacre. The man say, oh long him there big up Massacre, big up Massacre. I push Massacre button and manipulate Massacre. Massacre wouldn't even give him a repost, wouldn't even shout him out, wouldn't even like when I am video them or nothing. Say man say, yo, man throw Massacre on the bus and throw Beenie Man on the bus. But what we want to talk about, bro, enough of them money when you see on the internet at 8 Vybz Kartel, them just want a shout out. Enough of them just want a acknowledgement like them a do it for the acknowledgement, them a do it for the crowd. We know so them can't tame, you know. Yeah, because if something for happen where majority of people are beat Vybz Kartel, you're going to see them run out again. So we know so them can't tame, but me just show you say, yo, enough of them I just a hug them need, man. Enough of them you see on the internet, bro. I just a hug them want. Because enough of them are rip one artist because them hate Vybz Kartel now. So the artist there, is not even the type of artist where will shout you out or big you up or nothing. So most of the time them just do it through pure hate. Not no love of no other artists or no fans of no other artists. Them just do it through pure hate. So
Kartel, thank you, sir. Very much. I mean, I look no hype out of it, and this is not me. I act like me love man.
hey, you so life funny. When anybody there on the internet a reason about Vybz Kartel and a talk about Vybz Kartel, a big him up or whatever, you hear them quick for say, yo, love man. So now a theme time now. If you big up Vybz Kartel, give him flowers, give him a 1 rating. So here him a fi make a disclaimer, and I like say me love man. Bro, keep the same energy man. Anybody who talk about Vybz Kartel, I love them must love man. Because when them talk about Alkaline and Massacre, woman them love because Alkaline and Massacre woman. Keep the same energy, son.
The whole sentence right now, I say hashtag Gaza Sky.
Yo, I'm have to laugh. The man start attach all him brand to Vybz Kartel, Gaza Sky. Him remind me of Massacre. You see me? Gaza genocide. Some pussy have to step aside. The man them love quick for attach them brand to Gaza and then them turn around and be ungrateful. Yo, I never yet Gaza attach them brand to them, you know. And them always run up and down and say some little Gaza genocide, Gaza this, Gaza that. Even though we know say I want little sarcasm because nobody knows no Gaza Sky. You see me? We know say I want little sample man at the end of the day, but him remind me of Massacre. But you know with the whole of them man, Nico, Fire, Khago, Footer Hype, you know every now and then them talk something will make sense. So him say something about grinds man where it make whole heap of sense.
Don't you dare think say I know Kartel a millionaire in the US money. A long time we know how music work.
Terry Ganzi or Grindsman?
Grindsman. Yeah. He originally did Ben Spunani, which I paid homage to and used the hook.
Go and check the dark stream and all these type of things. A long time you have money. So you could have sued him long time. Don't make somebody push you for blighted your blessing. We don't want to open up that can of worm for artists that sue artists in Jamaica. Because the industry go mash up. I don't know who first sing it if a Baby Wade or a... You understand? I don't know if a Baby Wade first sing it or a Grindsman. So, if a Grindsman first sing it and Baby Wade sing it over, we are going to say, why you never saw Baby Wade? And if a Baby Wade first sing it, because we have...
So right now in a dancehall, if you pay homage to a man, him probably turn around and sue you. Or is it just a cartel thing like Grindsman are the first man in a dancehall where I go sue a dancehall artist? Because why? Because a bad mind and ready eye, bro. And big up Miss Julia, me and Miss Julia, I drag one little crooks girl over one channel. You see me? Yeah, because we have a girl them up now, cause you will hear them talk nice and enunciate and pronunciate them words properly and want sound like them are uptown and them reasoning dunce, you know. Like a dopey bat, you know. Like a butterfoot, dry foot, you know. Sir P teach me that. You can call yourself IIQ every day as you want. And you dunce. Now don't make them trick on with them nice voice. I go say, yo, people say a bad mind, Grindsman bad mind, and is not bad mind. Then what else? What then? Show me a next dancehall artist where I sue a next dancehall artist. There's never been a dancehall artist where so rich where people might call him rapper money. International artists. Them not see no other dancehall artists a floss them where people know how much money them get. So that's why the envy and the dirty mind and people in them years and all of them something a creep up while you have Grindsman in a 2026 a ball. So where Vybz Kartel do him hurt him backpedal. Him start contradict himself and what him used to say 10 years ago, 15 years ago, I never that him a say. So what else? Crooks girl. What else? If I no bad mind, then what else? Why am I the only dancehall artist who want to sue one dancehall artist in a history? Why? Not because at first I must say a dancehall artist with so much money and I must bad mind. What we want to do? Say a business. So our business now. Why are not business for everybody else? So what? Everybody else do the paperwork the right way and not Vybz Kartel. So suddenly him back a hurt him and him can't walk. Suddenly him a feel pain. Him broke and him hungry. And I say this the first time I talk about it, and I'm going to say it again. Because I'm consistent, I no flip-flopping and nothing when I say. Anything when I say I stand on it. him don't have a case because him are going at it the wrong way. So all who say him have a case, him have a case. Grindsman I tell us him want $5 million US. When if him take it to the court, remember you know taking it to the court no means say him have a case, you know. So if you hear say the two of them a go to court, don't come back to me and say yeah, you see, me did tell you. When if him take it to the court, I probably $5,000 him a get. So which part him win? When you expect $7 million and $5 million US, and when you go to court, you're going to end up get 5,000 or 3,000, probably 10,000 the most. How him win? So you disgrace yourself, the man pay homage and you ball and you throw a tantrum and you tell lies, say you drop and broke your foot. You try every stunt, all in the name for $5,000 US. You don't have $5,000 US. So Grindsman I do all of this. I go viral and make himself look like fool, expecting say him I get a flower gun and Miley Cyrus money. Remember what I'm saying no? Miley Cyrus them take one little part of flower gun song and him get millions. And Vybz Kartel take the whole of my song. So how much me I go get? Remember that are the whole reason why him I do this, you know, him a ball for him side, you know. And I say him get affected emotionally and physically, you know. So may I go back to the question where Khago asks. Khago say why now? And Vybz Kartel reach long time like why you never ask him 10 years ago? Why you never ball 10 years ago? 10 years ago you're happy. 10 years ago you say Vybz Kartel bring back the song. Make you start perform it and people know your name. Let's say you didn't want compensation 10 years ago. Why now? Like Vybz Kartel reach long time, you know. Or you never did know say him rich. You did think more father rich to him have the mansion in the sky. You never know say Vybz Kartel rich too. Probably at that, you know. Because I remember Vybz Kartel always say, you know, if them think him get paid in a gum. Because people always think say him not have money. You know the little style eh? When them a share yo, life funny. And this a man of them always say get paid in a gum, you know. Him broke, him not have no money, him not rich. Vybz Kartel not rich. Him know everybody a ball too, you know. Him know a ton. Dancehall pan it head, you know. Richest, you know. Remember they never this Vybz Kartel as the richest. So that probably reach Grindsman. Why him never want no money back in the days and him just do it the right way. Like him get him little money, you know. Me know him get him little money, you know, but I just greedy, him get greedy, you know, and want more. Because as me say, the video when me talk about it first, me show you where him a talk about mechanical rights and like somebody else say Vybz Kartel no pay you. And like him, I shut it down and say, yo, I know so the music work. No man, I go just put the money in your hand. You get it through either publishing or mechanical rights or some paperwork. But I'm more him I know. Somebody then I'm years now. I know him. I just part of the Vybz Kartel 8 group reach to him. Them get to him. You see me? Yeah, but answer the question. Why now? Why in 2026? Other than bad mind, tell me otherwise. We know it's a word we use often. And them overuse bad mind, but tell me what else what but somebody tell me a logical explanation why no. You see me? People, we have reached the end. I'm DJ Dreadbeard. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Maybe you're gonna feel like up the video. And if you want to support the channel, drop a super thanks in the comment section. And I'm gonna talk a little more about Khago and how him try apologize and I say him never did this Vybz Kartel data and something. You don't know the reason now gonna be just like that. You see me? Me not drop the video yet, but what you can do is go over my new channel and subscribe, hit the notification bell, set it to all. So when I drop the video there, you will be notified. But the video you see on the screen now, and the video I drop yesterday. If you don't watch it, go and go watch it now. I'm DJ Dreadbeard, signing out.
DJ Dreadbeard. Subscribe now.
Insight, informative entertainment vlog.